In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get free premium Shopify themes. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your store backend, look at the menu on the left side and go to Online Store, then open Themes. This is the area where you manage the appearance of your storefront, including your current live theme and any extra themes saved in your account. After that, scroll down until you reach the Theme Store section. In this area, you will see the option to explore more designs for your store. Click Explore Themes to open the Shopify Theme Store. This is where Shopify lists both free and paid themes that are designed for different types of stores, styles, and product catalogs. When the theme store opens, browse through the available options and choose any paid premium theme that fits the look and feel you want for your brand. You can take your time here and compare layouts, features, and visual style. Once you find a premium theme you like, open it and click Try Theme. This is the key part of the process. When you click Try Theme, Shopify adds that premium theme directly to your dashboard under the theme library. That means you can access it from your themes page without publishing it right away. It is a useful way to test the design and explore what the theme offers before making any final decisions. From there, you can open the theme editor and start customizing the theme. You can adjust the layout, add banners, change sections, and update settings to match your store. This gives you time to see how your products, branding, and homepage content will look inside that premium design. It is especially helpful if you want to experiment with different visual styles before settling on one direction. As you work inside the editor, pay close attention to how the navigation, product pages, and homepage sections are structured. A premium theme often includes more polished layouts and additional settings, so it is worth exploring the built-in options carefully. This can help you understand whether the theme supports the kind of shopping experience you want to create for your customers. Once the theme has been added to your theme library, you can keep using the theme editor to customize it for as long as you want, while it remains in your dashboard. That covers everything you need to know.